it's Natalie Hoy, and this gorgeous home is 6A Gallipoli Street in Lathlain. It is on a huge 610 square metre, yes, you heard that correctly, 610 square metre rear survey strata lot. It is a 4x2 plus study with multiple living areas and the bonus of having a downstairs main bedroom. It is a gorgeous home with sensational spaces. Let's go inside and take a look. We're filming the photo shoot as well today, so you'll see Shannon and Kylie doing floor plans as we're moving through. Let's start at this spectacular formal entry with the very wide hallway. I reckon that's at least probably 1.5 meters, possibly wider if I was to pace it out. There is just a real generosity of space that will impress as soon as you come into this home. Of course, you've got higher course ceilings there. Now there is a garage, very large double garage off to the side, and this has multiple entry points to the property. So there is the door at the back there, that one there, that goes through to the outside. And there's another internal door here which goes through to a study or a home office, and there is also storage poking there as well. So there is just so much space in this home. So to the left is the home office and the theatre, but I'm going to start to the right, which is the downstairs open plan kitchen, dining, living space. So we've got this gorgeous kitchen. And I'm going to go kind of around the corner on this big island bench. You can see the stacking doors that go outside. You can see the lovely long island bench with the double sink. You've got gas hob and wide stove over there. You've got beautiful window letting in lots of light from the backyard. Fantastic bank of drawers. You've got great, nice, big, wide spot for your fridge. You could put further cabinetry in there if you wanted to, but better yet, a massive walk-in pantry. Very, very convenient, which has also got a further appliance shelf and storage if you want that as well. So just really great spaces in this home. So we'll swing around, and this gives you a really good view from the kitchen to the outside. These outdoor spaces on this are sensational, much more than you would expect, courtesy of that very large block. So open plan kitchen, dining, living. As I said before, there's also the home theatre. There's another further sort of living space upstairs. Really, really large spaces here, lots of windows with lots of natural light. I'm going to swing around, give you another view from the back corner so you can see the space here and how good that is. And I'm going to pop through to the main bedroom. Lots of really good separation, and there's a door that heads outside as well. Lots of great external access and lots of really good separation in this home. So have a look at the size of the main bedroom. It is huge. You will easily fit I think that is a king bed, and there's bedsides, and you can see how much space there is. And of course, all of those lovely windows that are very cleverly positioned to give you natural light, but also afford you a lot of privacy. And look at the amount of wall space that you've got in here. It is fantastic. It comes through, and you've got a great built-in robe, walk-in robe, and a fantastic ensuite bathroom. So double vanities, lots of great underbench storage, loo tucked away behind that door, and a really great walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. even better. What a great space. Really has a beautiful resort style ambience, this ensuite. Let's pop out. You're getting another view again of the living space. As we'll go from here outside. Gorgeous decked undercover alfresco area. You've got lawn, great lawn space there, plus you've got further room around the side which goes right round the front. But this is the surprising space as well. So we've got fire pit, we've got paving, but look at all this extra outdoor space. So if you've got garden sheds that you want to put up, if you've got trampolines for the kids, perfect cricket pitch, that one for my money, but just really good external spaces. Let me just pan back down to the corner. So you've got this fantastic space here. You can pop around, you can see the alfresco, and then you've got all that additional garden and outdoor space here too. So much roomier than your average size rear lot. We're back inside and we're going to go off to the left of the formal entry. There is this great home theatre room, really nice space, can be closed off with doors, again high ceilings, really lovely carpets, just a really nice private space for hanging out. You've got so much storage. There's great storage here in the hallway, and this is the bonus home office which is off the garage. So if you've got a hobby, people visiting, if you've got a little home business, great extra space if you need it. I mean, obviously it could be storage if you wanted to too, but it has been set up to be a home office that is very private with its own direct garage access. Again, great use of light in this house. You've got a downstairs powder room as well, which is nicely tucked away. And you've got a nice open laundry with plenty of space for the dryer and overhead cupboards if you want to add those too. So I've headed upstairs and you might spot a building. I'll see if I can get my finger on it. Ta-da! Out the window, that is Victoria Park train station. That's how close you are to that station and all those amenities. This is a great activity space up here, perfect for lots of kids' toys or more study desks, and you've got, again, lots of built-in storage, really generously sized bedrooms up here. Let's go and have a look. So this is one of the bedrooms. There's 3 in total. More than big enough for a large double bed or a queen. Again, nice view outside and full length built-in robes. There is always something lovely about an elevated aspect. I think I say that all the time. You've got separate loo through there. It's just a toilet, I won't bother showing you, but we've also got a great family bathroom. Nice vanity with stone bench top and generous bath. Perfect for younger family. And we'll go through to the other 2 bedrooms. As I said before, great proportions and just so much beautiful light in this house. So again, really nice big double bed. In fact, that could be a queen as well. Don't quote me on it, but it looks very large. And again, nice full height robes. And the 3rd bedroom, again, fantastic size, beautiful light, This one is particularly big, lovely elevated aspect. Great size robes, and you can see this one even fits TV and occasional chair. So beautiful spaces. The floor plans are available online, so make sure you go and check those out just so you can see the generosity of the space and proportions in this home. Location wise, you're metres from Vic Park train station with super easy access to the Vic Park and East Vic Park social precincts. Also, obviously very easy access straight to the city, to Optus Stadium, to Crown, to the river. It is a cracker of a spot. I can't personally get over how big this rear property is. It is massive. It's one of the largest rear survey stratas I've ever seen. Of course, being a rear survey strata, there is no strata fees either. Beautiful house, fantastic proportions, lots of lovely light bright spaces, and better yet, near new build, move-in ready, nothing to spend or do. What is not to love? Call me now, 0405 812 273 for more details, or see you at a home open. Have a great day.